All right, take a look at this. 1971 Chevrolet Super Cheyenne, four-wheel drive, regular cab, long box. Very nice looking truck. Any of the 71, 72 seem like a great year. Quick sellers. And the fact we got a 4x4 here, pretty cool. Underneath the hood, 350 Chevrolet small block. That is paired with a 700 R4, so it does have an automatic with overdrive transmission. Also nicely equipped. Power brakes, power steering underneath there. We'll check out the engine bay in a little bit here. I'll get around the other side. We'll fire it up and start it up. As you can see, light blue and white combination. Now, if you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726 is the number. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on that. That's going to take you right there. You can see how straight this truck is up and down the side of it. Did notice there's a few little things will kind of show you in some of the bright work, but overall, I mean, a nice driver quality is what I would call this truck. Again, paint is decent on it. It's like a older paint, not real fresh, but still nice shape. Got a cloth and vinyl bench seat combination on the interior, and we'll get around, check that out on the other side. Here was a couple of those little dingers I did notice looking at it earlier. Does have a spray and bed liner spare tire back here. There's your spray and bed liner. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at. May also be eligible for an extended warranty, so talk to your sales associate about that via email or call in. Don't foresee this one sticking around too long. Again, 1971 regular cab long box 4x4 Super Cheyenne. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. Down below this video, there's a link there. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Again, you can see how straight this thing is. This does have two tanks, and it appears that they are working. I'll show you where the switch is underneath the dash, but I tried it a little bit ago, and the gas gauge did change, so I'm assuming that that is working. See, pretty stock looking interior. Like I said, cloth and vinyl combination. Headliner looks good. Let's go ahead and start it up. I'm just going to reach in, probably the easiest. I did have the radio working, AM, GM radio in there, or Delco radio. AM was working. Did have the wipers working. Let's check out that dash here. Down here is the switch. If you take a look at that gas gauge, it's reading a little over half. If I flip that switch to the other tank, it goes down to about a quarter to an ace. So it appears that that switch is working both tanks. Click it back and you see it go back up. Always, like I said, pretty stacked looking in here. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back. Like I said, 350's got a nice little rumble to it. Again, 350 paired with a automatic with overdrive, 700 R4 transmission. I'm going to slip up to the front, pause this video a second so we can pop that hood and let's check out that engine bay. Alright, got the hood open. 350 V8 has headers on it, power steering, power brakes, said earlier. And pretty much stock looking engine bay, about what you'd expect on a 1971 Chevy truck, but see how smooth it runs. Nice, good sounding engine. Alright, so there you have it. 1971 Chevrolet Super Cheyenne 4x4 regular cab long box. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see the still pictures down below this video. Click on the link. It's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with transportation on this one to where you're located, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Talk to your sales associate. Look forward to hearing from you.